Hi, I'm here in my 2022 Bronco with a soft top and just wanted to point out something that you should probably take a look at on yours, even right after you've taken delivery of a brand new vehicle. If you read the owner's manual, it says the soft top needs to be, when it's installed, these brackets here in the cargo compartment need to be resting flush on these location pins. There's one right here, there's one right there. Hard to see, but you can see it is, sitting fully on that pin right there in a little nook. That's on the driver's side. That one's fine. Come over here, and you can see there's a bit of a gap on the front peg of the passenger side. That has to be flush all the way down in order to keep the alignment square and prevent rubbing on the roll bar. And I actually am getting a little bit of that on the back uh, exterior corner surface. So if you have this present, we're flush on that peg, so we're good there. But this one, it's just a smidge above. So these are all 13 millimeter bolts. I'm going to loosen those up and try to shift that bracket down and get that flush again. All right, so I just went ahead and quickly loosened these three bolts. These are 13 millimeter bolts. And I just loosened them to a point where they were able to spin by hand. They're torqued on pretty decently, as you would hope. But doing that then allowed this bracket to move a bit more, and I was able to kind of shift it down a bit. My top is still fully deployed right now, so but it's not perfect, but this is a lot better than where we started from. So for now, I'm considering that a improvement, but we will see.